Which expression is equivalent to 8x cubed plus 8 minus quantity x cubed minus 2? So if you're pretty good at math, you're probably asking, why the fuck do I need to do this on Desmos? I can do this easily algebraically. That's fine, do that. But again, if you're not good at polynomials and you look at this and you're like, what the fuck? You can do this on Desmos. The key is, they call this like the Desmos equivalency hack. So like a lot of problems, it's like, this is equivalent to what? Which of these is this equivalent to? Chances are you may be able to use Desmos. So I'm gonna put this into here, the problem 8x cubed plus 8. So, and obviously it shows it graphically. And then we're just gonna put the answer choices and see which one matches. As you can see, the graphs are different, so that one doesn't work. Plus 10. So boom, it's the same graph. So the answer is B. See you in the next video.